What's that? Todd Slender out of Watertown with his Dodge live line. The Badger State card heading down the pit side. T-shirts, hats, calendars, programs, everything you can imagine on board of this 4x4 Pro Street 8,000-pound diesel truck class. Todd Slender in Watertown with his 5'9" Cummins at the line.
He was very good for one.
It sounds like he had the fire go up as he's trying to bring the RPM up. He's got it fired back up. Get her cleaned out. A lot of fuel, a lot of timing going to these engines. Probably not quite used to this cool air. Nice pass. He steps the clutch in just a touch early. Good job for Todd Slender on the Watertown. .48. Good for third thus far. 303.48. See all painted up, sharp looking truck. The Cummins Killer GMC, River Falls, West, Hughesville. Here we go, green flag, top and bottom, the Cummins Killer GMC. Up and rolling. A nice pass. 311.64 for West. 311.64 for the Cummins Killer. Tires maximum 35 inches tall.